Welcome to a tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to manage the printout settings for your inventory transactions. Click on the settings icon to access the main menu. As the steps to edit the check-in, check-out, and move printouts are the same for all, we will use the check-in printout for the tutorial. Let's get started. Select Manage Check-in Printout. The section on the left shows the default text for the section or table headers inside the check-in printout. You can generate the printout either in landscape or portrait format. You can also add standard remarks and footer notes to appear in all the printouts. The section on the right contains options to display different information on the printout. Click on the checkbox if you want the information to be displayed. Once you are done with the changes, click Save. Now that you have learned how to set up the check-in printout, follow the same steps to set up your checkout and move printouts. Once you've completed the setup, view the next video to learn how to generate your barcode labels. Thank you for watching!